Hello, barbarians. Today, volumes of pyramids and cones. Okay, so we have a historical note first. Archimedes of Syracuse first deduced the volume formula for a cone while taking a bath. He was so excited he ran naked through the streets of Syracuse shouting, "Eureka!" So be careful if you're ever hanging around crazy old math people. You never know what they might do. Okay, here's your theorem for the day. The volume of a pyramid or cone-shaped object is V equals 1/3 the area of the base times the height. It's going to work very much like cylinders, except it's going to be 1/3. Okay, so here I have a square pyramid. I want to find the volume of that. Okay, so I write down my formula. I know that since it's a pyramid, the volume formula is going to be 1/3 the area of the base times the height. Okay, so the base is a square, so this volume is going to be 1/3 the base times the height of the pyramid. So my volume then is going to be 1/3 of 10 times 10 times 11. Okay, so let's see, that's 100, that's 1100 divided by 3. That is not going to go in there evenly. I'd like to have a nicer number than that. So 1100 divided by 3 is going to be 366 and 2/3. And that is in cubic inches. Okay, so there we go. Easy enough. Okay, on this one, we have a cone. Okay, so again, cone or pyramid shape, volume is 1/3 the area of the base times the height. The area of the base is a circle, so this is 1/3 pi r squared times h. So 1/3 is just 1/3, pi is just pi. R is going to be 4 squared, so I got a 4 squared here, and the height is 10. So this is 16 times 10 is 160 divided by 3 times pi. There's my exact answer. Get out my calculator. 160 divided by 3 times pi. Should be about 167.46 repeating. And that's in cubic centimeters. Okay, piece of cake. Why don't you give this one a stab? I'll let you do this one on your own. Pause the video, see if you can figure this out, and then jump back on and see how you did. Okay, volume is 1/3 the area of the base times the height. Now, the base is a triangle, so capital B is going to be 1/2 the base times the height of the prism, or pyramid, sorry. I can combine my 1/3 of 1/2 is going to be 1/6. So there's the formula I'm going to be working with right there. So volume is 1/6 times the base of the base, so that's going to be 7, times the height of the base, that's going to be 8.5, times the height of the pyramid, that's going to be 9. So I get out my calculator. 1 divided by 6 times 7 times 8.5 times 9. Volume is going to be equal to 89.25 cubic feet. Okay, what fun that is. Hopefully that's what you got. Okay, here we got another one. Let's go ahead and do this one too. Go ahead and pause the video. See if you can figure this. This is a regular hexagonal pyramid. And then jump back on and see if you got the same answer I did. Okay, so volume is going to be 1/3 the area of the base times the height. So volume, 1/3. Now, the base is a regular hexagon. We're going to use the regular polygon formula, 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter times the height. And I'm going to go ahead and combine this. 1/3 of 1/2 is 1/6. So there's my final formula I want to use. So the volume is going to be 1/6 times the apothem, which is 7, times the perimeter, which is going to be 8.2 times 6, times the height of the pyramid is going to be 12. Okay, so 1/6 of 12 is 2. 2 times 7 is 14. So this is going to be 14 times 8.2 times 6. The volume is going to be 688.8 cubic meters. All right, hopefully you got that. Okay, here's another one you can try. Now, this one is an oblique pyramid. Same formula, though. Just got to make sure you use the right height, which there's only one height shown on here anyway, so that should be pretty easy. This is 9. You can find the altitude by looking for the perpendicular 90-degree angle there, okay? So go ahead and try this and then jump back on and see how you did. Okay, so the volume is going to be 1/3 the area of the base times the height. So the base is a trapezoid, so this is going to be 1/2 the height of the trapezoid times base 1 of the trapezoid plus base 2 of the trapezoid times the height of the pyramid. 1/3 of 1/2 is 1/6 again. So there's our final formula. So volume is going to be 1/6 times h, that's going to be this, 2, times base 1 is 5, plus base 2 is 12, times the height of the pyramid is going to be 9. Okay, so 1/6 times 2, that's 1/3. 1/3 of 9 is 3. This is going to be 3 times 17, which is going to be 51. Look at that, we did it in our head. Cubic feet. Hopefully you got 51 cubic feet. And we got a nice little worksheet for you to work on with some pyramids and cones. Hope you enjoyed that. Have a good evening.